I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites. You need a global administrator account and an active subscription or trial. Once ready, sign into the Azure portal with that admin account, then open Microsoft Entra ID from the left menu. Make sure to add and verify your custom domain using the DNS-TXT record you prepared. This links your organization to Entra. After domain verification, proceed to create a test user so you can validate settings immediately and avoid interruptions later. You now build identity and access control. Create users and group structures that reflect your org and assign roles following least privilege. Once groups exist, register applications that need Entra authentication, configure permissions and secrets or certificates, and grant admin consent where required. Then set conditional access policies, require MFA for risky sign-ins, block legacy authentication, and add location or device risk conditions. Make sure to test policies with your test user to verify you finish by enabling monitoring and verification. Review sign-in and audit logs, create alerts for suspicious activity, and set baseline reporting. Once done, complete end-to-end tests, log in as a test user, verify single sign-on for registered apps, and confirm multi-factor prompts. If something goes wrong, inspect audit logs, check conditional access policies for blocking conditions, and verify token lifetimes and app secret expiration. These are common culprits. Make adjustments, retest, and then roll changes out to production.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.